In this video, we will compare Windsurf versus Bolt.new. When it comes to AI-driven coding tools, Windsurf and Bolt.new are two of the most innovative platforms, each designed with unique capabilities to help developers streamline their workflow. Windsurf focuses on intelligent code analysis and optimization, offering developers advanced features that go beyond the simple code generation. Its AI excels at performing tuning by analyzing the code structure and suggesting ways to optimize it for better efficiency. This makes Windsurf particularly beneficial for developers working on large-scale performances or critical applications. Its in-depth debugging assistant and smart code suggestions helps identify bottlenecks, optimize algorithms, and redefine code. Ensure that both high quality and high efficiency, Windsurf is ideal for those who need just more code generation. However, on the other hand, Bolt.new is designed for speed and simplicity. It focuses on making code quicker by allowing developers to generate reusable code snippets and templates with small effort. Perfect for rapid prototyping, Bolt.new excels in projects that require boilerplate code or repetitive patterns. Developers can easily create customizable templates to speed up their workflow, and the tool's clean interface ensures that you won't even notice. Developers can quickly pick up and start with it. While it doesn't offer the deep performance analysis that Windsurf provides, Bolt.new is a go-to tool for anyone looking for fast, efficient code generation. In conclusion, the choice between Windsurf and Bolt.new depends largely on the developer's needs. If you're looking for a tool that'll help optimize performance, debugging and write efficient code, Windsurf is for you. However, if you focus on speed and simplicity, Bolt.new is the better choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.